How are you, my friend? Today with me, I brought a bunch of questions usually asked globally by people who want to make games or have something to do with Unity on the creative side. Oh, or maybe just school assignments. Anyways, I'm going to try and cover as many questions as I can for each video. So in case you see a picture you need to read, please feel free to pause the video. That brings us to the first question. What is Unity 3D all about? All right. Unity is a 3D 2D game engine and a powerful cross-platform IDE for developers. Let's break down what this means. As a game engine, Unity is able to provide many of the most important built-in features that make a game work. That means things like physics, 3D rendering, collision detection, etc. are covered. So you don't have to open your rusted computer to code an engine that could take you 5 years to make, only to make a game that might or might not work out fine in the end. I mean, no disrespect. On the other hand, Unity is an IDE. What is an IDE? An IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, right? Which describes and says it all. It's an interface that gives you the access to all the tools you need for developing in one place, or development rather in one place. That being said, Unity is also used for animation making, movie editing, AI simulation, and a lot more creative stuff. Hmm. Unity software has a visual editor that allows creators to simply drag and drop elements into scenes and then manipulate their properties. All right. That brings us to the end of this question, and we are heading to the next question. Yes, Unity is free for the most part. And especially if you are a beginner, then yes, Unity is totally free for you to start with. Not entirely beginners, but if you haven't earned any revenue with Unity in the past couple of years, all right, but it has a deal on you, which is it will continue to remain free till you earn your first $100,000, which to me is a lot. No, 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 like a lot. Now that brings us to the next question. Is Unity 3D programming or coding? Okay. I don't really understand the context of this question, but I'm still going to answer you anyways. Coding is a part of programming, alright? And Unity does programming. So, yes, Unity 3D is doing both in this way. Okay? Next question. What is Unity 3D used for? The best and primary use of Unity is the making of games. Then we have other uses like visualization, animation, simulation, AI, etc. All right. Next question. What languages is Unity? What language is Unity? Unity is C Sharp based, and the remaining languages Unity operates with are object oriented scripting languages. What is object oriented scripting languages? This is what object-oriented scripting languages are. And examples are Java, Python, etc. Is Unity really good for beginners? Yes. And the reason I would say so is that I have tested and used it. That's all you have to know. Okay, for real, guys. More reasonable reasons are it has a large community for help. All right, Unity has a large community for help. You can be able to find almost any solution for what your problem is. All right, it is very easy to operate and get used to. You can easily get to know about Unity within a day. That's how fast and easy it is to use Unity. It is system friendly. Okay, that is, it works on even low end PC. Unity, I hate to admit it, but Unity is so flexible, all right, and responsive, even in weak systems, all right. It works according to the amount of work you give it. So no system is too small for Unity. Forget about the requirements. With Unreal, your system could probably kill itself before the next day of torture. Yeah. And saying as this question is almost a beginner's question, I believe we are beginners for a reason. Many of us here are low budget guys, so yeah, Go system isn't available right now. Another reason to pick Unity. Is Unity or Unreal better? The short answer, guys, Unreal is better. But a word for you. Hold on. Don't just jump into conclusion. A word for you. It doesn't matter the engine you use for your ideas. What matters is your ideas and your skills. All right, your skills. These engines can only help your idea look so good as the code. But that's it. You have to up your ideas and skills to differ from the crowd. So does the engine matter? No, it does not. Pick the one you see would be easier to start with. Starting with any will make it easier to switch to the other in the future because they operate with almost the same kind of sense. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope it was interesting throughout and fun. See you guys again in my next video.